बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इय्याका नअबुदु व इय्याका नस्तईन। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्लि अला मुहम्मदिन व अला आलि मुहम्मदिन व बारिक सल्लिम व सल्लि अलैहि। Dear colleagues, this is male adult patient complaint of pain in the abdomen and constipation, and vomiting is also present when we start oral intake. So now the abdomen is tender. Now I am going to scan the pelvic region. Here we can appreciate the fluid collection in the pelvic region, and if we closely observe, we can appreciate look at here, this particle is moving anteriorly. There are multiple particles. You can closely see this one, this is moving anteriorly, this one. So the fluid collection in which the echogenic foci are present, and few or many of these are moving anteriorly or upward to the edge of the fluid collection. These are the air particles. These are air particles that are moving anteriorly. So this is the typical sonographic sign of pneumoperitoneum. We have seen the signs of pneumoperitoneum in the X-rays like Rigel sign, football sign, and air under the right diaphragm. This is the sonographic sign of pneumoperitoneum. You can see that many of the floating particles are moving anteriorly or superiorly to the anterior portion of the fluid collection. Look, this one, this is moving. So I want to show you the typical sonographic sign of pneumoperitoneum. Now I have changed the probe to the high frequency linear probe. Here we can appreciate the fluid collection in between the bowel loops, and bowel loops are filled with excessive gas, echogenic foci with posterior dirty shadowing representing the gas within the lumen of the intestine. And look at the movement of the intraluminal contents, which have forward and backward flow of the intraluminal particles. Look here, the movement of the intraluminal contents, which are going forward. Now the movement is slow. Again they are moving forward. So these are the dilated baba loops filled with excessive gas and contents within the lumen. Baba loops are also edematous. Look at the wall of the baba loops, which are thickened. This is the wall of the bowel. This is the free fluid. Look at here. These particles are air particles are moving anteriorly to the surface of the abdomen. These one, and this is the thick walled bowel. This one, this one, this one. And this is the fluid collection in the pelvic region. We can see, and here the air foci or echogenic foci are moving anteriorly. So this is the case of intestinal perforation with sonographic sign of pneumoperitoneum. Thank you very much. चलो ये कहना है